Have you ever tried rock candy? Or perhaps you've just heard of it. Or maybe you've even been able to make it in your own home. Well, if you have, you may already know that salt crystals form very similar structures. I knew this when I was thinking about what kind of things that could affect that type of growth. Well, I was mostly curious about if the type of water could affect the growth of salt and sugar crystals. So salt and sugar crystals, though they may look the same when sitting on a table, just normal, but they actually have very different structures when looking at them at a very, very close proximity, such as under a microscope. You may not have known this, and I want to know if water and the type of water can affect how those crystals grow, whether it's going to be the same for salt or different for salt, or both sugar and salt are the same. I'm not sure. So I wanted to figure it out. So I collected water from 4 different lakes in our general area from nearby towns, and I produced a procedure and a project that would allow for me to test if the type of water affects the growth of sugar and salt crystals. So I got some results, and I was able to find out what actually happened when you use different waters in the crystal growing process. And I was able to determine which ones grew the best and which ones grew the worst. And I got those results, and I came to some conclusions about everything. And if you'd like to see those conclusions and see some photos of the crystals as they grew and how I set them up and learn about the procedure that I work through, you are more than welcome to visit my poster that's below. And thank you.